गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सभी साथियों को विजयदशमी की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और आप अपने जीवन में तरक्की करें, खुशहाल हों, यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं। मेरे जितने भी भाई बहन इस चैनल से कनेक्टेड हैं और लगातार वो बहुत सपोर्ट भी करते हैं और गाइडेंस भी उनको बहुत वैल्यूएबल लग रही है। सो आज हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट एसपीए की और एक पीए की डिक्टेशन, दो डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे। डिक्टेशन फ्लक्चुएशन में रहेगी और 5-5 मिनट की डिक्टेशन रहेगी। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। After having considered the aforesaid ratio and also the reasons which have been assigned by the additional sessions judge district Haridwar, this court is of the view that the revision deserves to be allowed and the same is consequently allowed. The order dated 21 June 2018 passed by the learned additional sessions judge district Haridwar in sessions trial number 228 of 2016 state versus Chandrapal and others is quashed. The matter is remitted back to the additional sessions judge district Haridwar to reconsider the application in the light of ratio as propounded by the Honorable Apex Court's judgment in Rajesh case. After the order of the High Court dated 11 July 2019 in the criminal revision, learned sessions judge again considered the application under section 319 criminal procedure code. Learned session judge referring to the observations made by the High Court in paragraph 5 as well as the judgment of this court in Rajesh and others versus State of Haryana within bracket Supra allowed the application and summoned the appellants by order dated 17 August 2019. The trial court issued a bailable warrant against the appellants on 5 September 2019, and after bailable warrant being served when they did not appear on 18 September 2019, non-bailable warrant was issued to the appellants and a notice under section 446 criminal procedure code was issued as to why the amount of sureties being not realized from two sureties Arun Kumar and Chandrapal. The appellants filed criminal revision before the High Court against the order dated 17 August 2019 of the additional session judge summoning them para. The High Court dismissed the revision, noticing a subsequent order dated 18 September 2019 by which notice has been issued under section 446 Criminal Procedure Code. The High Court took the view that the revision was filed on 23 September 2019, but the order passed by the court on 18 September 2019 has not been brought on record. Hence, there is concealment of not placing the order on record. The High Court further observed that since the proceeding in pursuance to allowing the application under Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code has already been initiated, in which the revisionists have already invoked the jurisdiction of the Revisional Court, in which order dated 18 September 2019 has been passed, the revision is to be dismissed. Aggrieved by the order of the High Court dated 27 September 2019, this appeal has been filed. We have heard the learned counsel for the parties and have perused the record. The principles for exercise of power under Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code by Criminal Court are well settled. The Constitution Bench of this court in Hardeep Singh versus State of Punjab and others has elaborately considered all contours of Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code. This court has held that power under Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code is discretionary and extraordinary power which has to be exercised sparingly. This court further held that the test that has to be applied is one which is more than prima facie case as exercised at the time of framing of charge, but short of satisfaction to an extent that the evidence, if goes unrebutted, would lead to conviction. Power under Section 319 CRPC is a discretionary and an extraordinary power. It is to be exercised sparingly and only in those cases where the circumstances of the cases so warrant. It is not to be exercised because the magistrate or the sessions judge is of the opinion that some other person may also be guilty of committing that offense. Only where strong and cogent evidence occurs against a person from the evidence led before the court that such power should be exercised and not in a casual and cavalier manner. चलिए ये डिक्टेशन थी 110 फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ। और अब हम डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे नेक्स्ट, जो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट पीए या फिर 100 डब्ल्यूपीएम, जो भी आपका कोई कोर्ट का एग्ज़ाम होगा। और मैक्सिमम जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो जनरल ही होते हैं, लीगल वर्ड्स थोड़े बहुत एडिशन हर डिक्टेशन में होते हैं, चाहे वो जजमेंट हो, लीगल डिक्टेशन हो, या कोई जनरल प्लस लीगल पैसेज हो, तो लीगल वर्ड्स कम होते हैं, जनरल वर्ड्स हमेशा ज़्यादा आते हैं। सो बी रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन। Start. In the absence of such satisfaction, the court should refrain from exercising power under Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code. In Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code, the purpose of providing if it appears from the evidence that any person not being the accused has committed any offense is clear from the words for which such person could be tried together with the accused. The words used are not for which such person could be convicted. There is therefore no scope for the court acting under Section 319 Criminal Procedure Code to form any opinion as to the guilt of the accused. The two-judge bench of this court again reiterated the same ratio in Rajesh and others versus State of Haryana within bracket Supra, which judgment has also been relied by the High Court in the impugned judgment. Now we may notice the reason which persuaded the High Court to reject the revision. After noticing the facts of the case, the High Court proceeded to consider the revision and recorded its reason for dismissing it in following words para. Although a reference has been made in paragraph 10 of the application filed in support of the revision to the effect that the proceedings was taken by the present revisionists before the Sessions Court, and an order of 18 September 2019 has been passed whereby the notices have been issued to the present revisionists under Section 446 of Criminal Procedure Code. This order passed by the court below is that of 18 September 2019. The copy of the said order was received by the revisionists on 21 September 2019, as would be apparent from the folio annexed with the certified copy of the order dated 18 September 2019 as supplied by the learned counsel for the revisionist during the course of arguments to this court, though it is not part of the criminal revision para. The revision itself was filed on 23 September 2019. The said order passed by the court under Section 446 has not been brought on record. Hence, this court is of the view that apart from the fact that there is a concealment by not placing the order on record which otherwise has been procured by the revisionist prior to the filing of the revision, and furthermore, since the proceedings in pursuance to allowing the application under section 319 criminal procedure code has already been initiated, in which the revisionist has already invoked the jurisdiction of the revisional court, in which the order dated 18 September 2019 has been passed. In view of the already ongoing proceedings before the Sessions Court prior to the filing of the present revision, this court is of the view that no simultaneous challenge to the impugned order dated 17 August 2019 summoning the revisionists under Section 319 of Criminal Procedure Code would be tenable before this court till the order dated 18 September 2019 passed in the proceedings at the behest of the present revisionist subsist. Consequently, this revision lacks merit and the same is dismissed as it is not sustainable before this court. A perusal of the judgment of the High Court indicates that the High Court did not examine the correctness of the order dated 17 August 2019 by which the appellants were summoned by additional district judge under section 319 criminal procedure code, rather has dismissed the criminal revision on basis of a subsequent fact, that is order dated 18 September 2019 by which notice has been issued under section 446 criminal procedure code. चलिए, ये डिक्टेशन है जो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट पीए के लिए आप अच्छे से लिख सकते हैं, और फ्लक्चुएशन है 100 में थोड़ा सा। सो आई होप कि आप अच्छे से लिख पाए होंगे, और कोई भी आपको किसी भी तरह का डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ लीजिएगा।